Welcome back to the channel. We have a simultaneous equation. We need to solve for x and y. We are going to use elimination method. For this question, we are going to eliminate y and we are going to solve for x. Since the coefficient of y already they are the same and they have different sign, we are going to add the two equations to eliminate y. I would call 2x plus 3y equal to 12 as equation number 1. And 4x minus 3y equal to 6, I'm going to call this as equation number 2. We are going to eliminate y by adding these two equations. We are going to add, that is going to be 2x plus 4x, that we are going to get 6x, 3y plus minus y, that is equal to 0. So plus 0, this is equal to 12 plus 6, we get 18. 6x plus 0 is equal to 18. That is 6x is equal to 18. I'll divide by 6. I'm going to divide by 6, by 6, 1, by 6, 1, by 6, 1, by 6. I got 3. The value of x is equal to 3. I'm going to use equation number 1 to get the value of y. Equation number 1 say 2x plus 3y, this is equal to 12. Substitute x equal to 3 into equation number 1. That is going to be 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3y, this is equal to 12. That is 6 plus 3y, this is equal to 12. Take 6 to the right hand side. We remain with 3y, this is equal to 12 minus 6. 3y is equal to 6. Divide by 3, divide by 3, by 3, 1, by 3, 1, by 3, we get 1, by 3, it is 2. So we get y is equal to 2. In conclusion, we get the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on simultaneous, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.